Very good evening to one and all. I am Sakshi Pandey, Membership Chair, ISS Student Section, JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida is one of the leading technical institutes in Delhi NCR. The institution has set benchmarks every year and grown into institution excellence in technical education. Has MOUs with KS Renewables Private Limited, Texas Instrument Center of Excellence, Nokia Mobile Innovation Labs, eYantra Embedded and Robotics Lab funded by MHRD under NMEICT, Schindler Electric Substation Automation Lab, and Center for Innovation Design are additional facilities for the student to innovate new ideas. JSS ATEN is proud to mention that it has created necessary manpower and infrastructure to implement outcome-based education from the year 2014 and 15. With the divine blessing of His Holiness Jagadguru Shri Shivratri Deshi Kendra Mahaswamiji, Jagadguru Shri Veer Simhasana Mahasamsthana Mat, Suturu Shri Kshetra, we cordially invite you for the online inaugural ceremony of ISS Student Section JSS ATE Noida. In commemoration of 106th Jayanti celebration of Mysuru Shriman Maharaja Rajguru Tilka, His Holiness Jagadguru Dr. Shri Shivratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji. I extend a warm welcome to all dignitaries, principals, sir, all deans, registrars, sir, CAO, sir, AO, sir, all the HODs, teaching and non-teaching member of EEE department and other departments. I welcome all ISA members from Delhi section, Bangalore section, and all over India. All my student friends, I welcome one and all. Presence of light means the non-existence of darkness. Lamp signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and power. On this auspicious occasion of inaugural ceremony of ISS student section, JSS ATE Noida, I request all dignitaries and participants to begin the program by lighting the lamp. I request Prabhu sir to play the Saraswati Vandana.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhana sampada. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhana sampada. Shatru buddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute. Deepajyotir namostute. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you, Babu sir. I now request Dr. Sujata K.S. Ma'am, HOD EEE, Dean Research, JSS ATE Noida, to deliver the welcome address and brief us about the ISA.
Thank you, Sakshi. With the divine blessings of His Holiness Jagadguru Sri Shivratri Deshi Kendra Mahaswamiji, Jagadguru Sri Veera Simhasana Mahasamsthana Mat Suturu Kshetra, and on behalf of management of JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida, it is my privilege and honor to give welcome the inaugural ceremony of the International Society of Automation Student Section JSS ATE Noida in commemoration of the 106th Jayanti celebration of Mysuru Shriman Maharaja Rajaguru Tilaka, His Holiness Jagadguru Dr. Shri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji, which we are witnessing today. We cordially invite you for the online inaugural ceremony of International Society of Automation Student Section JSS ATE Noida. I respectfully extend a warm welcome to our chief guest of today's function, Shri Rajiv Gupta, Executive Director, Technical Engineers India Limited, Gurgaon. Welcome you, sir. I extend warm welcome to the guest of today's function, Dr. H.R. Mahadev Swami, Joint Director, Technical Education Division, JSS Mahavidyapita, Mysuru. Welcome, sir. A warm welcome to the guest of honor, Sri Sushil Kumar, DGM GAIL India Limited, Delhi. Welcome, sir. I extend warm welcome to the special invitees of today's function, Sri Rajashekar Uchil, Executive Board Member, Education Division, ISA Bangalore, Sri Gaurav Singh, Senior Manager, Instrumentation, IOCL, Paradeep Refinery, Odisha, Sri S. Palaniappan, Senior Member, ISA Bangalore, Ms. Anuja Thukral, Director, Commas Electro, Delhi. I respectfully welcome all ISA members from Delhi, Bangalore, and all over India who have joined the inaugural ceremony. I respectfully welcome the president of today's function, Dr. G.M. Patil, Principal, JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida, and the program coordinator, Ms. Chaitrayani Adahalli, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Faculty Advisor, ISA Student Section, JSS ATE, Noida, Program Coordinator, Co-Coordinator, Mr. Arpit Sharma, President, ISA Student Section, JSS ATE, Noida, Program Facilitator, Ms. Sakshi Pandey, Membership Chair, ISA Student Section, JSSAT Noida, and Viplav Sachin, Treasurer, ISA JSSAT Noida. I extend warm welcome to CAO Sir B.K. Gupta, Accounts Officer Mr. Manoj, Registrar Dr. Shiru, Dean Academics Dr. Jagadish, Dean Student Welfare Dr. Prashant Chauhan, all the HODs, Training and Placement Officer, faculty members and non-teaching members of Department of EEE and other departments, and dear students, I welcome one and all. The Department of EEE was established in the academic year 2014 with an intake of 60 students in order to meet the growing demand for trained manpower in the field of electrical and electronics engineering. The department started functioning under the umbrella of Department of Electrical Engineering and continually engaged in development of infrastructure. In the year 2017, it started functioning as an independent department. It holds pride in equipping the young minds with a curriculum in electrical and electronics engineering at the undergraduate level, which lays a strong foundation of basic and advanced electrical and electronic engineering concepts. With the encouragement and support of our Joint Director, Technical Education Division, Dr. H.R. Mahadev Swami, Principal Dr. G.M. Patil, the hard work of faculty and staff of Department of EEE JSS CTN, and with the active support of Ms. Anuja, ISA Delhi Section, Sri Palaniyappan Sir, ISA Bangalore, and Sri Rajashekar Uchil Sir, ISA Bangalore, we are realizing this event of International Society of Automation, Student Section, JSS ATN Noida, in commemoration of 106th Jayanti celebration of Mysuru Sriman Maharaja Rajaguru Tilaka, His Holy Dr. Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji. This would not have happened without the involvement of my dear students who are the prominent stakeholders of our department. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all for joining the event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I request Mr. Arpit Sharma, the President of ISS Student Section Noida, to introduce International Society to the August gathering.
Thank you, Sakshi, for handing over to me. I'm here to introduce ISF, Student Section JSSATEN. The International Society of Automation is a non-profit professional association founded in 1945 to create a better world through automation. ISA advances technical competence by connecting the automation community to achieve operational excellence. The organization develops widely used global standards, certifies industry professionals, provides education and training, publishes books and technical articles, hosts conferences and exhibits, and provide networking and career development programs for its 40,000 members and 4 lakh customers around the world. I would like to invite Anuja ma'am to say a few words about ISF.
Thank you, Arpit. Thank you so much. I think you've really briefed well regarding the International Society of Automation. Just to add a little more to it, first of all, to begin, again, I would like to thank all my seniors here and the team from JSS for this wonderful program being organized. Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you, Arpit, especially the students. I have to say they have really worked very, very hard to organize this event. I'm seeing since last few days the way they have been working, doing rehearsals. Wonderful. Thank you. And congratulations to the whole team. So I would like to try to share a few slides just to give you, give the audience a good idea. First of all, Sujata ma'am, congratulations. We have 118 participants. Really, I'm in a very successful inauguration ceremony already. I'll just share my screen just to give you a brief idea about ISA and ISA Delhi section. So on behalf of ISA Delhi section family, I welcome you all, and as Arpit has already briefed in, this is an organization from USA, headquarters in USA, and it began there as a non-profit organization. And the objective, what Arpit mentioned, like setting up these standards and having more than 40,000 members. They do have a lot of publications of the books, certification programs, a lot of exhibition conferences, and the idea is anything and everything about automation. Like we say we are automation engineers, and automation is in our blood. We breathe in and breathe out, whether you talk about automation at home, office, anywhere you go. And it's wonderful to see the students coming to it. And the whole idea for us to be here is to ensure that we are able to bridge some gap between the academia and the industry. That's the only objective we have, to give you some kind of practical exposures of what automation industry looks like, what it talks about, and how can we make you ready for the industry. So like just going on a little bit on the history, I'll just take a few seconds on each slides. It started in US in 1985, and it is a brainchild of Mr. Richard of Instruments. I think this is one of the very old pictures, what you're seeing from the history of ISA. And when it started, it was not actually automation. If you see, it used to be an Instrumentation Society of America. This is how it started. But over the period of time, when things evolved and automation came into being, the name was changed, and the name today is International Society of Automation, because it's not only linked to America now, it's present globally, almost in every country. Mr. Albert Perry was the first president of ISA. You can see his picture here. And since then, there is no looking back. We have different sections and different divisions which become a part of ISA. So these are just to give you an idea. I mean, you can have a look, especially this is for the students, because it depends on what divisions you would like to join in. There always a possibility of students to join in the divisions which they like to work upon. For example, if people are interested in process measurement, they can join that division. One of the division which is very popular these days is ACAR, which is more on robotics. So we have our Delhi section students also doing a lot of things in that division these days. So just to give you an idea, we have more than 14 divisions now, like the new one being the smart manufacturing and IIoT, that's also there. So you all are free to join in any of the two divisions you like to work in more actively. Just to give you a brief idea, like what it looks like and what are the benefits as a students. You have a charter already. Congratulations. I mean, we don't have the certificate yet from headquarters, but your section has been chartered. This is the information we already have, and we shall soon be handing over the certificate of charter to you. So your section is already chartered, and the benefits which you get is, like, as I mentioned, you get to join any two technical divisions. You are also entitled for the subscription of the Intech magazines, like which is a monthly magazines, and there are some weekly magazines as well. You can also view some ISA standards. There's a lot of webinars being done these days. You have free access to them, whether it's in Delhi. Delhi is 100% free. You can access any of the events we plan and any technical session we do. And many of them are accessible for which are done by headquarters as well. I have been circulating that in the group as well. And you can also access some papers if you want. So when you talk about ISA Delhi does a lot of technical workshops and with respect to different industry domains, what we do. So we always invite all the faculty members and students to join it and see what is happening, what is the latest technology, what are the things going on in the automation industry. So you're in touch with the latest technology. Also, you can have your own club. Like now you have an ISA chapter, so it's going to be your club, and you can do ISA, a lot of activities under the banner of ISA for that matter. And you can always have seniors and mentors from the industry to guide you on that as well. Also, we try to give in some kind of practical exposure as well. Due to COVID times, things have become difficult. But yes, in the past, we have done a lot of hands-on workshops as well for our IS chapters. In the past, we have also organized some industry visits so that students get to know how industry works. And now we are planning some virtual visits if possible, till the time, we get clearance to go physically as well. Mentoring and imparting knowledge is continuous, 24 hours, 24/7. Anytime you can get in touch with us. We have specialists from each and every industry available and I'm sure they will be able to help you out in a lot of things. And sometimes, not always, if possible, we try to help students with the vocational trainings. If possible, we always try that. Also, we organize a lot of competitions. Like recently we had a mega show. I think many of you attended that, Total 2021. And for the first time, the top two, we had a competition, inter-college competition, and the top two papers selected by the jury were, they were given a chance to present themselves at this 2-day big grand mega show. So it was a wonderful opportunity for them to present from 2 different colleges. They had presented their papers, and trust me, they were really, really very much appreciated by the complete ISA family. And they always given inputs. How can you make those projects, something which is industry ready? How can you make them more suitable for industry? So such kind of competitions are being organized. Many quizzes are being organized, and anytime you need any specific talk on any specific topic related to your domain, we are always there. So these are few points we have mentioned here, and this is all from my side. Just stop sharing the slides here, and I just request Rohit sir to please speak 2 lines to motivate the students. Rohit sir.
Anuja, you want me to speak?
Yeah, 2 lines for the students, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
After seeing the environment, I hope with the permission of Dr. Patil, I feel like coming to the college. I remember my days when I passed out in 1971 from MIT Madras. And I'm happy to tell you that our president, Dr. Abdul Kalam, was my senior in the same engineering college. So it is my privilege to meet president a couple of times. As Anuja has said, that when I was in IOC, I retired as the executive director from Indian Oil Corporation. I was the chairman of the selection committee of the fresh engineer training. And there I could find out that there is still a big gap between the industry and the academia. When I was used to speak to the students and ask some few questions, I wanted to make it sure that they will get the answer then and there itself when I'm interviewing them. Because otherwise, this will be in their mind what was the answer of these questions which selection board has asked from them. I got a very, very high regard for the teachers of any engineering college, irrespective of the college wherever you pass. And I'll continue to serve the student community, right, whenever it is required. And thank you, Anuja, for giving me the opportunity. And if the time permit or if the occasion will be there, I'll be too happy to spend time in the engineering college along with the students. Thank you very much, Anuja, and thank you, Dr. Patil, and each one of the faculty members. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your blessings are always needed by us and by our students, especially, sir. They look up to us. Sir, Prasanjit Pal, sir, I would like you also to speak 2 lines, sir, please, for the students.
Thank you, Anuja, and let me welcome the student members of this newly chartered section. And it is good to see youngsters on board, because it has been our endeavor as ISA, and many of our seniors and the guiding views, ideas, and posts of ISA Delhi section have always been guiding us towards the fact that we have to give opportunity to the youngsters to come into the industry. Unfortunately, in India, the way the systems stand as of now, a fresh graduate coming out of a college usually finds it a little bit difficult to directly mesh into the industry. So organizations like ISA and others, which give you a technical platform, a technical a way of getting technical inputs, maybe bring you closer to the industry. So one of our focus areas is academia industry interface. So I think towards that aim, ISA Delhi section has been trying to reach out to more and more technical institutes and have a larger number of student sections, so that we have a larger number of the student community associated with us, and there can be both forward and reverse mentoring. So with all these things, it is a great opportunity. I would like to thank the principal and all the faculty members of the college for having joined hands with us to launch this student chapter at the JSS Academy. Thank you all so very much. Let us look forward to great times ahead, great learning through sharing of opportunities and trying to, bridge the gap between the industry and academia. Let's try to make the students more, shall I say, easily amenable or easily meshing with the industrial requirements. Thank you all so very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sakshi, just before I move on, I would also like to thank Mr. Anupam. He's from Emerson, from the industry side. He has also joined us today. And we have two faculty advisors from IIIT Raipur as well today, watching us. So I welcome all of them. Sakshi, over to you now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to take us through the history and providing us valuable details. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Rohit sir, and thank you, Prasenjit sir. It was an honor to hear a few words from you all. Now I request all dignitaries and participants to join inaugural ceremony of ISA student section. I request Babu sir to kindly share the screen. Thank you, Babu sir. I now request Dr. H.R. Mahadeva Swami sir, Joint Director, Technical Education Division, JSS Mahavidya Pitha, Mysuru, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sakshi. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So, seeking the blessings of His Holiness, Jagat Guru, Shri Shivaratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, and also remembering respectfully the Sutturu Parampare, and also seeking the blessings of His Holiness Dr. Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji, where we are celebrating 106th birthday of his memory. So this particular thing is dedicated to His Holiness. Maybe just to know, it will not be the point, like ISA is one of the long pending demand, a long pending the thing which we want to do in a college. So I think today it has happened, and I thank all the office bearers of ISA Delhi chapter and also the chapter of India to start the student chapter at JSSAT Noida. Today I think it's a good day for all of us, where the automation in the ISA, the International Society for Automation, is started at the college. I'm sure the students, faculty, staff and also the professionals working in that area definitely can associate with this chapter in JSSIT Noida, and then they can develop, involve, and grow, and all those things. Maybe already Anuja already highlighted what is the role of ISA, how that has evolved, how that is the growing in the world, and also the other speaker also they very clearly mentioned what is the thing, and then I just disconnected in between. Sorry for that. So anyway, the whole idea of having a ISA chapter is very clear. They made it clear to all of us. Maybe in this at this point in time, that means where the growth of the technology is happening, more and more automation is coming in picture. Whether you take a cyber physical system, industrial automation, you name anything, a lot of automation is happening across the several sectors. Whether you name anything, whether a hospital, whether you take the manufacturing, whether you take education system. So more and more automation is becoming more and more in all the sectors. So keeping that in mind, of course, the ISA is one of the chapters which is defining the protocol, defining the methodology, and all these things they're defining, apart from the other regulatory bodies, and ISA is involving professionally to help all the industries to define those things. Maybe there is a one part. Second part, I think they already highlighted what they'll do. Maybe conducting the professional activities, could be like a workshop, or could be the conferences, or connecting to the network, the other person who requires the knowledge. So many things, I think the students of our college and also the faculty and staff of our college definitely will benefit from this particular networking. So the professional body, maybe my dream or my expectation of all the institutions under the JSS Mahavidyapita is each department should have at least 2 professional bodies in their kitty, that means in their department. So maybe ISA or IEEE and IE, ISTE, name anybody. There are a lot of professional bodies, each of them. So maybe the students or the faculty, how the benefit, I think I need not to mention a lot of benefits, a lot of the advantages of that. Maybe to name a few, but in fact, I got a lot of benefit from that. Many of the associations with either ISTE or IE, IEEE, many things. So like we get a confidence. That means if you are a member of a professional body, you get a confidence. That means I am, the associated with this. Then you learn a lot of things from the higher, the professionals or the experienced people who are in this association or the professional body. Number one. Number two, you get to know how to organize. Basically, what is the expectation of the society? What is the expectation of the industry? What is the expectation of the student? They set the trend. Maybe that will help you in that connecting to that particular thing. So third part is that it's a strong body, because these are the people who are representing to the industry, representing on behalf of industry, on behalf of institution to the government. That means any regulation or any regulatory things has to happen, it will go to the professional bodies, so to the government, to make a mandatory or to make whatever, the rules, regulation, a lot of things. I think they'll be in the decision body of the government where to make this automation something. So maybe in the years to come, where we have, moving towards the robotics and process automation, definitely the ISA will definitely help. We are starting this particular branch in the Bangalore College, and then maybe also in the years to come, we'll start the robotics and process automation BTech program in Noida also, in maybe next year or year after that. So we'll start that. Maybe we'll associate with the ISA in a big way, so that we can grow in all the sectors and then connect to the industry, and our students and faculty benefit from this particular association. So now my only request to all the office bearers are here is please try to mentor them. Maybe there may be some teaching problem, because this is the first time they're they're associating and then they're doing it. There will be a lot of teaching problem definitely, and because of that, let's not conclude that these guys are not able to do it. Let's detach. Not like that, because I know there will be some teaching problems, some the initial hiccups to come together, take it forward. So maybe my request only to office bearers who are here, and also the from the college side, my request is that let's gel together, work together, make this ISA strong body in the college, and where we stand out. JSSIT Noida is a strong association with ISA, then grow like that. Wish you all the best, and thank you so much for all the things. Thank you. Over to you, Sakshi.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring work. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce to you the chief guest of today's program, Shri Rajiv Gupta, having 37 years of wide experience in design of instrumentation and control system under various phases of such projects such as FEED, design detail engineering, EPCM, EPC, and project management, PMC for various refineries, petrochemicals, fertilizer, offshore platforms, pipelines, and compressor station, terminal automation, and power plant project. Sir, we are privileged to have you as a chief guest of today's program. I welcome you once again, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sakshi, and good afternoon, namaskar to all of you, especially the students. And it gives me immense pleasure and privilege to be the part of this inaugural of JSS City student chapter into ISA. And we are really very happy, more than pleased to really welcome you students in our folds. Actually, you know, we all have been students some point of time. We still are actually. They say learning never ends. Till we are alive, we should be learning, and we are doing so in our professional career. Even I come from a background that my father is a professor. He retired as a principal. He was a professor in English. So I have a special affinity for students always. And I can tell you that, see, at ISA, we are learning by our mutual association, what we call the networking. It actually means that while we are, you know, after a hard day's work, we sit together, we share our technical experiences, and we also learn what other people are doing. And this gives us, you know, in turn, while we wind off and enjoy, and also at the same time, we learn more. So that way, the same thing I would like to suggest to you people. And as you know very well, today's complex world cannot survive without technology. So we people who are in the technological field, we really take pride in this, that yes, we belong to a field without which the society cannot run today. Be it, you know, the houses, the transport, the roads, the power, water, electricity, sanitation, and you name anything. You will require technical support today, and that is why the technical fraternity has a great role to play in life as well as in the development of any country. Every country will be known ultimately by a financial power, and industry plays a very big role in that. And talking of automation today, again, we take pride in being in the top layer of even the technological fraternity, because in today's life, is really driving most of the things to the uncharted territories which were not known before. You see, if you take an analogy of the body, then I can say that the automation is like the mind of the body. So without mind, it is the mind that defines our thinking. It is the mind that defines our performance, our being, very being. So in that sense, I think automation is really the defining part of industry. And if you really see that, you know, today with our new policies of the government, that is the Atmanirbhar Bharat, more and more domestic production is being increased in the area of electronics and automation. This electronics and automation has so much of potential that if we start manufacturing the electronics and automation products, which we all are using, that is in the consumer field, common public, then in the industry and also in defense, then the total country's GDP is going to increase to 3 to 4%, which is very significant. So that we all have to understand that we are at a time when we are having tremendous potential in the industry, and this potential is only going to go further upward. Maybe in yesteryears, we saw tremendous growth of software industry, and the same growth we are going to see domestic industry and especially the automation industry. So that is why we all should take this thing, you know, you all should be motivated that you are going to have a very good times ahead. You should have good entrepreneurship. You should have, you know, from today itself, you prepare for tomorrow, because today the students are tomorrow's technocrats, professionals, and maybe day after tomorrow's leaders and entrepreneurs. So that is something that you will get a peep into what you are going to see in a working life by being associated with ISA. And maybe you get, you know, while you focus on your studies primarily, just take a little bit, I think, don't get overwhelmed by this, but just take a little bit window into what you are going to get in future And that is where we would we'll be more than happy to really help you. And as Anuja has already told, there are many formal forums in ISA where you can participate. And even we can have a customized forums to look after your requirements, such as the training needs or the even to, give you a kind of a precursor into how the industries work, what are the different sector of industries where you can look for, and which sector will suit you more. And more than that, I would say that we can even do one-on-one mentoring in any time if you want. You can get our contact details. We will be too pleased to really help you, connect with you. And really, I tell you, it's not one way, it is a two-way traffic, because we will get so much of satisfaction by guiding our youngsters who are going to become, our country's strength tomorrow. So once again, I welcome you all, and I really thank all of you to give me this opportunity. I really look forward to a very fruitful relationship and a mutual, energy and mutual enthusiasm. We also get, a lot of enthusiasm by seeing the smiling young faces, and they're bubbling with energy and opportunities. And that is all from my side. Thank you very much. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. Well said, sir. In today's scenario, we can't grow without technology and automation plays a major role. Thank you, sir. I feel honored to introduce to all our guest of honor, Shri Sushil Kumar, DGM, GAIL, India Limited, Delhi. More than 20 years of professional experience on various platforms and plans, design and engineering of new technologies, solutions and their implementation, project management and execution. 6 months of teaching experience as lecturer in computer science. I please request guest of honor, Shri Sushil Kumar sir, to say some words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sakshi. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much for kind words as introduction. Thank you, JSS, for giving ISA Delhi opportunity for inviting your students as part of ISA Delhi section. It's our pleasure to have all you young minds as a part of automation fraternity. Today's world, without automation, we can see nothing is possible. Whether it may be a transaction of bank, whether it may be processes of any major plant or any utility. Automation is everywhere. Automation is like our mind, which controls our body. So now all operations of any kind of business, it's the automation which controls each and every part of the business scenarios. Even it is now being extended in case of building automation as a new segment. Further, it is again going to expand to control the pollution. Various kind of sensors and various technology in future will be installed for monitoring the pollution which is being created by various kind of plants, whether it may be thermal ones, it may be sewage treatment plant, it may be any kind of industry, you can say. So automation has ample opportunity in future. As a student, it is our responsibility to grow and be able to join the automation fraternity of the industry. In case of our country, there is huge gap between the academia and the industry. In case of Western world, however, we can say there is reverse. Research used to take place in the academia. They know more better than the people who work in the industry. To bridge this gap, at least ISA Delhi section and the ISA as a whole, we can see is trying to bridge this gap inviting students of various institutions to be part of ISA, learn the present technology, have feel of the future technology, so that you will be at least at par with industry. ISA Delhi section have very senior leaders. As you notice that our very senior member, Mr. Rohit sir, has joined us today. Various senior positions, people like Rajiv Gupta sir, who is our executive director in EIL, and we also have various personalities who is now heading the various organizations such as Director Marketing in GAIL India Limited. Even we can say chairperson of EIL, who is who also have interest in ISA, and he was various time participated in ISA activities. So ISA has wide range of automation professionals, whether they are retired or working. So as a student, you can gain more knowledge being part of this. Most welcome all of you. And I heartily thank Dr. Patil and other dignitaries of GSSS who have shown their interest joining or creating the ISA section in their institutions. And it's a great privilege and our sincere thanks that you have establishing this section in your institution on the auspicious day while you are commemorating Swamiji's birthday anniversary. Thank you so much from my side as a president of Delhi section, and most welcome all of you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your motivating
Thank you everyone.
words, sir. Thank you. And thank you for giving your valuable time. Now I request our special invitee, Shri Gaurav Jain, Senior Manager, Instrumentation of IOCL, Paradip, Refinery, Odisha, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Sakshi, sir is stuck up at the site. He's not able to join us. There is no network, but I have a special surprise for the students here. We have one alumni from your Mysuru branch, and he's a very, very strong member of ISA Delhi, Mr. Anupam Srivastav. He's working as a Director Business Development at Emerson, India. So, Anupam sir, what could be better? Please just switch on your camera and say a few words to your college mates.
Thank you very much, Anuja. It's really a privilege to connect back to the same institute. Passed out from same JCE that time, way back in 1992. And there are many in industry who are from the same college, working in Mangalore refinery and many other refinery and different institutes. That's really, really special for me to connect back to the same institute. Okay, and it reminds me of Professor Dhananjaya, Dr. Mudvirappa, and many more. Even today, Shailaja, who's there in Mysuru as a head of department, and I keep connecting back with them very often. So as sir,
Anupam Srivastav, you studied in JC Mysore.
Yes, sir. Way back in 92 and instrumentation.
No, I studied in 84 Mysore.
Sir,
Instrumentation.
Much senior.
Dr. Mudvirappa was the head of the department and my teacher there.
Yes, sir,
he is my guide, mentor, and he is, he is everything for me. That Professor Dhananjaya.
Yes, sir. He is absolutely great personality.
Teacher, guide, and mentor for me. Even today, today, Professor Dhananjaya has been a great mentor, guide, and support for me in all my endeavors even today, sir.
Absolutely true. It was our honor to be studied and mentored by Professor Dhananjaya. Really, he is a great personality, definitely, sir. And during recently one of the annual function also we heard him, and it's really great. So as Anuja ma'am is talking to, it's a great that JSS team has joined ISA Delhi section, and we all are very passionate and excited about students and how we can connect and give back to our students as much as we can in our personal capacity, we always love to do so. And all the students of JSS Noida, I'm sure you'll be having an instrumentation department too. And any of the department students can connect back to us, and we'll try our level best. Try our personal level best to guide them, coach them, and give them whatever we can in our capacity. Okay. So this is small from me, and anything more, the relationship will continue, and we will continue to connect and continue to engage with JSS, and will participate, and you let us know whenever you need our help for any of the technical matters or suggestions, recommendations. We'll be more than happy to connect back with you, sir. Thanks a lot, Anuja ji. This is small that I could probably say in this moment.
No, sir.
We have a small MOU signed with Emerson. Shri Anupam will be knowing it. And
Yeah, ma'am.
a small setup in our college, in our department itself.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really? Oh, wonderful.
It is great to connect with you, and I feel we'll connect ahead also, and then do a lot of activities in that.
Absolutely. Beyond me in my personal capacity, Emerson itself engages with many colleges and universities in India, and really want to contribute in development of skill in country and development of the leaders from here.
Thank you so much, Anupam sir. Hearing you was like some goosebumps, because I could see how you feel when you connect back to your roots, to your school or to your college. And trust me, I mean, students must have watched this, and they should actually appreciate what they have. You know, this is what I feel today, and make the most out of it. Because and one thing more, what Anupam sir also mentioned here, you know, don't forget to give back. That's very important, you know, like for us, we being passionately working here, Rajiv sir is, you know, at such a senior level, he's giving his time here, Rohit sir, everybody is just one thing in the heart, want to give back, you know, to the society. And I think this is the best way, one of the best ways, building the nation through you. So we have a lot of confidence and expectations in all of you, my dear students, please, and we are there. After your parents, we are there to help whatever we can. So please.
Anuja,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I completed 50 years in the field of automation and instrumentation as on today.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
It's a great achievement, and we are lucky to have you with us, sir.
Yes, yes. Bharadwaj sir is an inspiration for all of us. And when I started associating with ISA Delhi some 15 years back, he was like what I am today. And since then, I have been, you know, following his footsteps. I'm really fortunate, sir, to have you with us.
So Golden Jubilee, 50 years.
It's an honor for us, honor.
Great.
Really. I mean,
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you, Rohit sir. Really, keep blessing us. Keep blessing us. Over to you, sir.
Anuja, at this very auspicious occasion, I can declare that we will arrange tour for the JSS students Noida in nearest GAIL's plant, our nearest Chensa plant, where
Thank
they can see GAIL's pipeline, operation of the compressor stations and all.
Thank you, sir.
Anuja,
Yes, sir.
is required, I can definitely arrange a visit to the nearest refinery also.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that will be really great, actually. Yes, it is, you know, nothing, best education is to see.
Yes.
And we are a professional education. In professional education, you know, you study what you really have to do.
And Rajiv,
yeah.
I offer myself to accompany the student to the refinery.
Yes,
Great,
sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
That will
Great,
be too
sir.
good.
Great.
Definitely.
Sir, Sujata ma'am, I have never seen such an inauguration, to be very honest. I mean, it's like blessings pouring in at every minute. Thank you, Sushil sir. Thank you, Rohit sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
so much.
Anupam sir.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir, for allowing us a tour. It was really a great surprise, ma'am. Thank you for the surprise. And it was really a great to meet you, Anupam, sir. Thank you for your motivational words, sir. I respectfully welcome President of today's function, Dr. G.M. Patil, sir, Principal, JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sakshi Pandey. At the outset, I extend my pranams to the lotus feet of His Holiness Mahaswamiji, Jagat Guru Sri Sri Shivaratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, the Pontiff of JSS Math Mysuru, and President Jagat Guru Sri Shivaratriswara Mahavidyapita Mysuru, and seek for his divine blessings for all of us present here for making this inauguration of the ISA student chapter in my institution a great success and memorable one. Chief guest of today's program, Raju Gupta ji, Executive Director, Technical Engineers India Limited, Faridabad. Guest of honor and Joint Director, Technical Education Division, JSS Mahavidyapita Mysuru, Dr. H.R. Mahadev Swamiji. Guest of honor, Sri Sushil Kumar ji, DGM, Gas Authority of India Limited, Delhi. Special invitee, Sri Rajshekhar Uchil, Executive Board Member, Education Division, International Society of Automation, Bengaluru. Special invitee, Ms. Anuja Tukralji, Director, Pongmax Electro, Delhi. Special invitee, Sri S. Palaniappan, Senior Manager, Senior Member, ISA, Bengaluru. Convener, Dr. K. Sujata, Head of Triple Department, Dean Research and Development. Program Coordinator, Mrs. Chaitra N. Edhalli, Assistant Professor, Department of Tripoli, Faculty Advisor, ISA Student Section, JST Noida. Program Coordinator, Mr. Arpit Sharma, President, ISA Student Section, JST Noida. Program Facilitator, Mr. Sushil Sakshi Pandeji, Member Chair, ISA Student Section, JST Noida. Gaurav Jain, Sir, Senior Manager, IOC Limited, and Anupam Srivastava and Dr. R. Sumukh Bharadwaj from JSS Academy of Higher Education Research, who has been kind enough to provide the support for conducting this important meeting, the inauguration ceremony of the ISA chapter of my institution. Good evening to all, sir. Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
As you all are aware that a slew of programs have been arranged in my institution. We have conducted 4 national webinars, 1 international webinar. We conducted the Global Alumni Meet on 17th of this month, where the students from 14 countries joined: France, Germany, UK, USA, and many more, Singapore. 14 countries they joined us during the Global Alumni Meet. And we are conducting the 4 national conferences in the interdepartmental and interdisciplinary fashion. On 23rd, we are going to inaugurate the national conferences. We have one on 23rd, and that is in collaboration with civil engineering and mechanical engineering. 24th, we have the national conference in collaboration with ECE, EE, and Triple department. On 27th, we have the national conference by MBA department, and 28th, we are conducting the national conference jointly by CSE and IT department, Information Technology Department of my institution. All these events have been planned and are being conducted at my campus, in commemoration of the 106th Jayanti Mahotsav of Mysuru Sriman Maharaja Rajaguru Tilak, His Holiness Jagat Guru Dr. Sri Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji, the founder Acharya and founder president of JSS Mahavidyapita. The JSS Mahavidyapita was established in the year 1954. The slogan given by the Mysuru Sriman Maharaja Rajaguru Tilaka, His Holiness Jagat Guru Dr. Sri Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji, is ignorance is the root cause for all evils in the society, and education is the sovereign remedy. He started the JSS Mahavidyapita to provide the sovereign remedy for all the evils of the society. And in 1954, he established the JSS Mahavidyapita, and today JSS Mahavidyapita is having 350 institutions, starting from kindergarten to PhD and postdoctoral studies. You name the area: art, science, commerce, law, and homeopathy, the yogic sciences and naturopathy, dental, medical, engineering, and pharmacy. And we have 1 lakh students studying in the JSS Mahavidyapita, and there are 10,000 the teaching and non-teaching faculties serving in the JSS Mahavidyapita. And today, the JSS Academy, we have 2 universities, one JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research and JSS Science and Technology University in Mysuru. The JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research is at the 98th place at the global the survey of the World University ranking, and where the University of Oxford has been in the top spot for the last 11 consecutive years, and the University of Harvard University is at the 2nd position. We have our JSS-CHER, JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research in the 98th position at the global level, and our Pharmacy College in Mysore is at the 8th place in the National Institutional Ranking Framework of Ministry of Education, Government of India, and the Pharmacy College in Ooty is at the 9th place at the national level. So we have the institutions offering the highest standard of education of the JSS Mahavidyapita. The JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida was established in the year 1998 under the JSS Mahavidyapita, JSS Mahavidyapita of Ghaziabad under the JSS Mahavidyapita Mysuru. Sir, our institution has been awarded with the Clean and Green Campus Award in the year 2017 by the All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. We are number 1 in the northern region of AICTE, 7th best institution at the national level. We are within 10 at the national level, sir, by your blessings and guidance and the blessings of His Holiness Mahaswamiji. And the hard work of my team, the training and placement officer, the deans and heads of the departments, and my faculty members. JCT Noida got the NIRF rank in the band of 251 to 300 during 2020. And in the recent survey conducted by Education World, we are in the 2nd position in the Uttar Pradesh state on teaching, learning, publication of paper, research proposals, student mentoring, higher education, entrepreneurship, value for money, and conducting the support for the students to participate in the national and international events, encouragement for the faculty for the higher education. On these 9 parameters, we have secured 1984 marks out of 2000. We are in the 2nd position in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and above us at the national level, we are at the 22nd position, sir, within 25. And above us is a university in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We, as affiliated college under the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, we are in the top position in the state of Uttar Pradesh, sir. In the Times of India Private Engineering Colleges Survey of June 2021, JCT Noida has secured a 72nd position at the national level among the top 100 private engineering colleges in India. And Ministry of Education, Institutional Innovation Cell, Government of India has awarded 4.5 gold star ranking out of the 5 highest gold star ranking of the Institutional Innovation Cell of Ministry of Education, Government of India for our Institution Innovation Council, sir. We have secured 4.5 gold star ranking. 5 of our departments, ECE, CSE, IT, Mechanical Engineering and Electrical Engineering are accredited by National Board of Accreditation, and we have been the nodal center for the grand finale, the Smart India Hackathon grand finale in 2017, 2018 and 2019, and received an award from Honorable HRD Minister Sri Prakash Javadekar ji on 21st November 2018 for the constitution of Institutional Innovation Council in my institution. JCT Noida received the gold rank from the Cochrane Simons, the institutional ranking body having the headquarters in London, from the QS Saigas gold ranking for in the year 2020. Selected as nodal center for value education under the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. And selected as a nodal center for the National Mission on Education through ICT, Information and Communication Technology of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, and Spoken Tutorial Center, Training Center from IIT Bombay under the MHRD. Nominated as National Cyber Defense Resource Center under National Cyber Safety and Security Standards under NC, National Cyber Defense Resource Center, New Delhi. Central government flagship programs are being undertaken in my institution, such as the Smart India, the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, Prime Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat Summer Internship. Under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, we have got 2 projects sanctioned, one in the CSA department under the title of the Smart Dustbin. The technology is developed and demonstrated and ready for deployment. And we have one project in the EEE department on the solar PV panel based paddy harvesting machine, which is having the rural and agrarian application. The technology is tested and demonstrated and ready for deployment. We have submitted the research proposals. We are one of the 36 institutions at the national level to conduct the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan projects as the participating institution under the nodal center at IIT Delhi. And we have submitted the research proposals to AICT Quality Improvement Scheme, and we submitted the research proposals to ISRO Response Basket under the guidance of Joint Director of Technical Education Division, Dr. H.R. Mahadevaswamy. And we have also submitted the proposals for research on robotics and robotic automation process, drone technology with Wipro under the guidance of Joint Director TED, Dr. H.R. Mahadevaswamy. JSAT in Noida has been the prestigious institution at the national level, one of the 49 institutions to receive the AICT Idea Lab project with a funding support of 55 lakhs from AICTE. And we are going to contribute 55 lakhs to set up the AICT Lab, Idea Lab with an investment of 1.1 crore. And this lab is not a laboratory, it is a movement, as said by the Honorable President, Chairman of the AICT, Dr. Anil D. Sahasrabudhe. It is as per the vision plan of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, to make this country Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am very proud to place on this August gathering that we are one of the prestigious institutions at the national level to play a role in the process of fulfilling the vision plan of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, to make the country Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we have signed MOUs with CARES of Coimbatore by AAA department to carry out research in the solar energy in my institution by setting up of the Center of Excellence. We have signed MOU with the Construction Industry Development Council, autonomous body under the Niti Aayog Government of India, for giving a flip for the students in the civil, mechanical, electrical, EE and EEE EC department for their entrepreneurship leading to a placement. And we have established the student chapter, student section under the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, New Jersey, USA. And we have established the chapters such as Robotics and Automation Society and Signal Process Society in the Department of ECE. Our students have submitted the proposals under the Student Activity Center, Humanitarian Activity Center, the Special Interest Group on Humanitarian Technology, site COVID-19 special call, and we have been placed in the second position at the region R10 of the Asian continent. We are visible nationally, we are visible internationally. We are in the second position in the Asian continent by way of getting grants for this project to the tune of $8,484 US. And we have also set up the IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, the USA, in headquarters in USA, the Women in Engineering chapter, one of the 600 chapters in my institution at the global level. And we have been able to conduct the drive by 270 companies through online despite the pandemic difficulties with the hard work of the training replacement, Dr. Yogendra Singh. We have started the 5 new programs from this academic year, the BTech CSC, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, BTech CSC and Data Science, MTech Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and MCA 2-year program, and MBA, one of the programs that is only offered by AICTE and renewed for 13 institutions and new start in the 8 institutions. I am one of the 21 colleges at the national level to start MBA on innovation, entrepreneurship and venture development. So we have introduced the 5 new programs, 2 UG and 3 PG programs with the guidance and support offered by the JSS Mahavidyapita Mysuru, the Joint Director, Dr. H.R. Mahadevaswamy, Director and Pro-Chancellor of the JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research, Dr. Bojara Suresh ji, and with the guidance of our advisor, Professor M.S. Dhananjaya ji. Dhananjaya sir has been my teacher, guide and mentor. I know our Anupam Srivastav ji passed out in the year 1991, and I have passed out from SGSC Mysore in the year 1984. Dr. Mudhuvirappad ji was my head of the department, and Professor M.S. Dhananjaya, even till date, he is my teacher, he is my guide and mentor. He has been playing a very important role in all the endeavors we have been able to undertake in this institution and make the achievements and scaled and unscaled for JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. I take this opportunity to congratulate the HOD of AAA Department, Dr. K. Sujata, and her team for inaugurating this event today, the ISA chapter, student chapter from my institution, under the auspicious celebration of the 106th Jayanti Mahotsav of Mysuru Sriman Maharaja Rajaguru Tilak, His Holiness Jagadguru Dr. Sri Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamy ji. I thank the organizers, Sakshi Pandey in particular, for giving me an opportunity to share my views on this occasion. I am thankful to Dr. H.R. Mahadevaswamy, Dr. Sri Sushil Kumar ji, Sri Rajashekar Uchil, Ms. Anuja Thuktar Madam, yes, Palani Eppan, K. Sujata Madam, Chetraya Nedhali, Arpit Sharma, and Dr. R. Sumukh Bharadwaj, who has been very kind enough to give us the support for conducting this program from his resources at JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research. I am thankful to you, sir, Dr. R. Sumukh Bharadwaj ji. Thankful to Anupam Srivastav ji and Gaurav Jain, Senior Manager, IOC Limited. I am very proud that all the great personalities and now the stalwarts in the field of automation are today with us on board the platform for this inauguration ceremony. I am thankful to you on behalf of the management of JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. Thank you very much, sir. We will keep in touch. We'll work together in a win-win fashion. Look forward for your blessings in the coming years. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. For the vote of thanks, I hand over to Mrs. Chetra N. Yadahali, Assistant Professor of EEE Department, JSS ATE Noida. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sakshi. Good afternoon to one and all gathered here. With the divine blessings of His Holiness Jagadguru Sri Shivratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, Jagadguru Sri Veerasimhasana Mahasamsthana Math, Sutturu Sri Kshetra, on behalf of management, JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida, and ISA Delhi section, as a program coordinator, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the oath of thanks for this inaugural ceremony of International Society of Automation Student Section, JSS ATE, Noida, in commemoration with the 106th Jayanti celebration of Mysuru Sri Man Maharaja Rajaguru Tilaka Sri Holiness Jagadguru Dr. Sri Shivratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji. First and foremost, we take this golden opportunity to thank the respected chief guest of today's function, Sri Rajiv Gupta, Executive Director, Technical Engineers India Limited, Gurugram, for attending this function by accepting our invitation, and also thanks for his thought-provoking speech and support for the inaugural ceremony. Thank you, sir. I extend my gratitude to the respected one of the guests of honor of today's function, Dr. Mahadeva Swami, Joint Director, TD, JSS Mahavidyapita, Mysuru, who, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion, and also for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank him for his kindness, his interest, and continued support. I also extend my gratitude to our guest of honor of today's function from industry, Sri Sushil Kumar, DGM, GAIL India Limited, Delhi, who, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion, and also for his words of encouragement. I would like to thank our special invitee, who is invitee Sri Gaurav Jain, Senior Manager, Instrumentation, IOCL, Paradip Refinery, who couldn't make it to the inaugural ceremony due to circumstances. I thank you, sir. And also, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. G.M. Patil, JSS ATE Noida, for presiding today's function, and also for his vision, support, and commitment for making this function grand success. Without his guidance and support, Department of EEE JSS ATE Noida would not have achieved this milestone. I'm grateful to all special invitees from ISA Bangalore and Delhi sections, Sri Rajshekar Uchil, Executive Board Member, Education Division, ISA Bangalore, Sri S. Palaniappan, Senior Member, ISA Bangalore, and Ms. Anuja Tukral, Director, Hongmax Electro, Delhi, for their support and cooperations in making this function a grand success. And I would like to extend my thanks to our alumni from SJCE, who has made the special appearance in our today's inaugural ceremony. I thank you, sir. I would like to take this opportunity to express our hearty thanks to Dr. Sujata KS, Dean Research and Development, as well as HOD of EEE Department, JSSAT Noida, and also a program convener of today's function for minute-to-minute guidance and support, and for providing encouragement at every point of time in the organization of this great event. My sincere thanks to Mr. Arpit Sharma, Program Co-Coordinator and President, ISA Student Section, JSSAT Noida, Ms. Sakshi Pandey, Program Facilitator and Membership Chair, ISA Student Section, JSSAT Noida, and Mr. Vipla Sachan, Treasurer, ISA Student Section, JSSAT Noida, for making this event to be colorful by well organizing. Thank you. I would like to thank Dr. R.S. Jagdish, Dean Academics, JSSAT Noida, for his presence in the inaugural ceremony in a virtual mode. I would like to thank all the deans and HODs of various departments of JSSAT Noida for their support and cooperations. I especially thank to all faculty members and my dear students for cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Once again, I thank you all for your presence in the occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chaitra.
Over to you, Sakshi.
Ma'am, thank you for your kind words, introducing everybody else. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like Babu sir to please play the national anthem, and we are done with the meeting. Thank you. Thank you all the attendees to attend the program ceremony. Thank you.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much. Thank you all for joining the event. It was really great. Thank you, Principal Sir, for supporting us. It was basically the dream of our Director Sir, Dr. Mahadev Swami Sir, that this ISA section should be launched in JSS Noida. When he came to JSS in February after taking over, when I was giving an MBA presentation, he told, Sujata, why don't you start an ISA section in EEE department? So after that, I contacted Palani sir. Then Uchil sir also was there. So Palani sir gave all the support. He linked with Anuja ma'am, and that is how we started working together. And we got permission from Mahavidya Pita with the help of Principal sir. And that is how we could make this event today. It was really really great. I thank all my student fraternity and Anuja ma'am, Palani sir, everybody, Rohit sir, Sushil sir, everybody to joining hand. In fact, Anupam sir was a new introduction, so I have got a new link in Emerson to work together. In fact, I was telling I got a new link. We have a setup in our department. We need to work together. We need to, like, you know, make it effective working with the students and the faculty. So I have got a link, sir. I will surely contact you through Anuja ma'am. I will come to you. It is really great. And I again say it is because of, it is a dream of our director, sir. when he came here. That is how he's told in the speech also, that ISA should be launched and industry academia bridge has to be, it has to, that bridge, we need to have a bridging between the industry and the academia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Rajiv sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
I thank Dr. Sumukh for giving all the support for hosting the
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Principal sir, shall we end the meeting, sir?
Yes, madam, we can close the meeting, madam.
Thank you so much. Palli sir, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.